Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters, 1 Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cars, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Every week we bring you a different theme, and so this week's theme is anything green. Next week's theme is anything with an envelope. So whatever you'd like to create, you may do so, but make sure you use an envelope. We also enter into Jillian Norwood's collab, which is hashtag Sat Morning Makes or Saturday Morning Makes, which is to create anything during the week and show it here on this platform. All right, so the ladies' links will be down below. Make sure you go over and visit them and see what they have created and post to the hashtag so we can come visit you. Starting out, I am using Spellbinders, and I'm using these 3 shamrocks or clovers, but that's what I'm using. And a few other items as well. From Joy's Life Stamps, You're So Punny Stamps, that's what I'm using. I'm using Lucky Me Having You in My Life, I think is what it says. Also using Honeybee Stamps. My Creative Time, of course. And I'm using, I think, just one item from here, which might be that biggest one there. Also, I'm using this Stampin' Up! Stamp set that I got from Tina, Crafty Bean. It's been some years ago now, and I am so glad I ran across it. I was just going through all my stamps, and I was just like, I need that. I had seen this card on Pinterest, and I'll let it pop up right about now. And so my card is inspired from Pinterest, and this stamp set here was just perfect. So next up, I am using the Rustic Wilderness Oxide ink. I'm also using this Dr. P.H. Martin's Bombay Black ink. I think it's Bombay. And then I'm, excuse me. And then I'm also using the white ink as well. And the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. And I want to say this is the iridescent one. And here goes this card that was inspired by Pinterest. I didn't have the big shamrocks like they had, but I did use the ones from Spellbinders. And I got those, I want to say from, I think I won those off of Sybil B's channel, so I'm not sure what the actual name of that one was, but I love the little shamrocks. I like how this turned out. I'm not too high on using Lucky, but I thought the stamp set was perfect, so I just thought I would go ahead and use that sentiment, Lucky Me Having You in My Life, and I thought it was perfect. This is where I used that the Bombay ink. And then for the white Bombay ink, I just put it right on top of the shamrocks there. And I did add some of that iridescent spray on there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I really like how it turned out. This is that honeybee dye there, and then my Creative Time dye there. And then I did add some little gems going around too. Did finish off the inside, and I just added iridescent spray on that one because I forgot to ink that one up when I did those, but the iridescent spray was more easy, so that's the only thing I put on there. But I love how it turned out. I thought it turned out so pretty, and I was so glad I was inspired by the card I seen on Pinterest. I thought it was really cute as well. And so that is what I created for my Anything Green today. Make sure you use the links down below, and we'll go over and visit you. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.